I prepared my own digital notes. Now, all of this had been done by December. Okay, so like 2022 ka December, all of this thing had been done with the note making and stuff. I prepared my own digital notes. So paper one was a combination of essential sociology book, Sangwan, and Harlumbus, the blue book, the thick one. So you don't have to do it end to end because only a few, you can map from the syllabus, the topics that are relevant. And Ritzer for thinkers. So my paper one notes were a combination of these. For paper two, I relied on the Levelup material. And in both the papers, I supplemented that with another rank holders notes for unique points and examples and unique thinkers. Neha Bhosle ma'am, I think she was AIR 13 if I'm not wrong in 2018. So her notes were freely available, I think on her Telegram channel, or you can Google search it, you will easily find her notes. So I did value addition from that. Thereafter, I did my test series. First of all, I think it's very important, like I said, to have a good reading of your optional once before the cycle commences. And in that 3-month time period between your prelims and mains, your first focus should be on PYQs. So fortunately, the Levelup test series that I opted for, it had already had PYQs integrated in it. So I only had to prepare answers for a few questions of PYQs. Much of them were covered in the test series. And the model answers that you get. So because if you see this year's paper, especially paper one, there were a lot of dynamic questions. Like when it like NEP question or the feminist methodology, that was the first question this year in compulsory section. So these questions are something that you cannot prepare from the books as such, the basic books. So in model answers, I still remember in my Levelup test, I had scored the highest in that answer in NEP question, 12 out of 20. And I replicated the exact same answer in my paper because I knew how to answer that question. So that is where test series come in handy. You don't just have to give test continuously without analyzing it. And PYQs, of course. So it will be a combination of new and dynamic questions and the PYQs, along with the analysis of your own answers and comparing it with the model answers. So that would be my overall strategy for sociology.